Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your BMW 4 Series. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Always ensure both vehicles are completely turned off before you begin any connections. Position the assisting vehicle close enough, ideally within 2 feet, so the jumper cables can easily reach both batteries without stretching. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful jump start. Now let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your BMW's dead battery. Next, connect the other end of that same red positive cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Then, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the assisting car. Finally, connect the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal ground point on your BMW, away from the battery. With the cables properly connected, it's time to attempt starting your BMW. Begin by starting the engine of the assisting vehicle and allow it to run for about 5 minutes. This gives the dead battery a chance to receive some charge. After this waiting period, try to start your BMW 4 Series. If it doesn't start on the first attempt, wait another 5 minutes with the assisting car still running and then try again. Patience is key here. Once your BMW starts, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the correct reverse order. First, remove the black negative cable from your BMW's ground point. Next, disconnect the black negative cable from the assisting vehicle's battery. Then, remove the red positive cable from the assisting vehicle's battery. Finally, detach the red positive cable from your BMW's battery. Drive your BMW for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges sufficiently for future starts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.